Well, this is the first time I've heard a solicitor say there is a legislation in place, there is an occupied field, but don't look at it. Mullahs? And he's quoting figures, Mullahs, that he has quoted.
I have not said that.
If you please allow me, sir. I did not interrupt you. I did not interrupt you, so please allow me.
Can I have your lordship's permission?
Yes, sir. Don't.
I'll learn it.
So, Mullahs, this is the first time that I'm hearing the solicitor say that, Mullahs. You have the ABC rules, Mullahs. There's a parliamentary legislation, and that has to be complied with. Right, Mullahs? Now, if there is any incident that has taken place, that has to be dealt with. There's no doubt about that, Mullahs. So the question is, Mullahs, how do you comply with it? That's the question.
And who is to comply?
And who is to comply?
Exactly.
That's why your lordship asked, are you representing the municipal corporation?
Exactly.
That's the right question. What has the municipal corporation done for so many years? Have they built shelter homes? Have they sterilized? And what happens is, Manoj, they've got money for sterilization, but as your lordship knows, money itself gets siphoned. Right? So the dogs don't sterilize, so they multiply. If they multiply, who takes care of them? Because there are no owners. If there are no owners, the community takes over. The community feeds them. That's right. And now you say because the community is feeding them, take them out and cull them. And put them in pounds and shelters. There are no shelters in place. So you can't pass orders in this fashion, Mullahs, in a manner that, Mullahs, without notice, suo moto, contrary to the rules, Mullahs, you pass an order. And then what are they doing? They are picking up dogs. They're actually picking up dogs, Mullahs. And where will they go? And they say that once they are sterilized, don't release them. So if they don't release them, where will they go, Mullahs? So this is a very serious situation. This needs to be argued in depth. My only request today for your lordships is that this order be stayed, fix a date as early as possible.
Mr. Sibal, have you read the order?
Yes, I have.
No, very well. Let us have the order and
Yes.
which part of the order.
Yes, correct. I'm trying to see the direction.
Which is offending
Yes.
you at the moment for which you
Yes,
want
the directions in the order. I'll straight away
Because
come.
this matter has been listed today on urgent mentioning before
That's right.
the Honorable Chief Justice.
I appreciate that.
And for constituting a special bench, so we are here.
Yes.
We can't spend the whole day on this
No,
matter.
no. I didn't want to, Mullahs, in fact. Yeah.
4 minutes.
Yes.
And we want to know from you.
Yes.
Which is the offending part.
Just come, Mullahs, come to
Yes.
direction 1 at page 16 of 303.
मेरा laptop है कहाँ?
303.
मैं लाया हुआ हूँ।
सबका
Referring to page 16.